October 16th, 2025. I'm on my way to physical therapy. This is day one of recovery. Peace. Today is day one of recovery. They told me I still got to keep these on for 72 hours in case I got to go back to the hospital. They almost kept me last night. Surgery was amazing. Woke up. I was so nauseous. I'm still nauseous. And I just been asleep. I went to physical therapy. I got to get up and do my exercise. But I'm so tired right now. I need to eat. So when my husband come back, I'm going to have him make me some soup. And then I'm going to get up and do my exercise. Yes, I am. I'm tired. My feet is kind of numb. It's numb from that nerve block that they did. Guess what? Oh my God. My range of motion is 113. He wants to get to 120. So
Should I light on?
you can.
Don't be showing all the good.
I'm not. Push it toward me. The whole Whit Walker thing. How easy that was? You have a knee replacement? You can get you one of these straps. It'll be linked in my bio. You gotta make sure you do this 10 times in an hour to get that phlegm out your chest so you won't get pneumonia, okay? Get you one of these. If they didn't give you one at the hospital, order one off Amazon. The link is in my bio. Hurt your chest a little bit. Day one. I went to physical therapy today. I got my range of motion. It was 113. Not bad for the first day. My flexing was, when your feet hit the back and the knee, it was at 4. It needed to be at 0. So I got a little ways to go. But I'm about to go to sleep because I'm tired. And then I'm going to recap today, okay? I did my walking. I got to do 2 more sets of exercises. Then I'll be good. Okay. I still feel nauseated from yesterday. They was going to keep me because I was so nauseated. I was falling asleep. When they was trying to help me walk. I was falling asleep standing. I was falling asleep sitting. So, yeah, let me get ready to go and take another nap. Bye-bye. Peace. Oh. Ooh. This nerve block is wearing off. Oh, my God. I guess here come the real pain. When I say, you could tell when the medicine is wearing off because my knee started hurting. I still had a whole 45 minutes before it was time to take a new pill. My legs started hurting so bad. And my feet ain't swole. My feet was feeling swole at first because of the nerve block. My feet starting to feel regular now. When I say this pain hurt, I done walked up the hallway a couple times. I done did 2 sessions. Woo, shit. Oh my God. And I tell you, my leg is throbbing. Gotta take deep breaths. I have to go to sleep. Maybe I can sleep through this pain. Clarence, can you check my ice tray, ice cubes? I'm sorry to bother you. See, it's the time to change my ice water bottles. Okay, maybe it might be time again. This pain hurt. How you know? See, you gotta make sure you have one of these right here. Cause I gotta get this. My thing fell. I say it's on, but I don't feel it. Baby, can you please come check this thing? It don't feel like no water coming out on it. Babe, I don't know. Please come help me. My wedge. No, I want the thing.
What thing?
No, don't put that one. Don't waste that on here. Pull the thing up.
Raise your legs some.
I can't. You gotta lift it.
No, you got them thighs. Them thighs. Them thighs. Them thighs.
Shut up.
Don't do that.
What?
Don't record me.
I'm not. You are being recorded.
Don't do that.
Why?
Because I don't want to be recorded.
You're not on here. All I see is your hands.
Oh, okay. Never hear my voice.
It's okay. It's your voice. This ice thing on my thigh. I feel it. It's cold. I don't want it to be.
What ice thing on your thigh?
This wrap thing is on my leg. It's too cold.
It's the thing right here between it and it. What you want me to do?
I don't want
you told me to pull it up.
I wanted to get where the thing is right here, like.
And that's where it's at.
No, I feel it on the back.
Your whole leg. So unless you just want it placed on your leg, tell me something different.
Pull this up. Pull the stuff up at the back, cause.
Like that?
Yeah, something, cause it was cold. It normally don't be up that high.
Cause you told me to pull it up there.
Okay, bring it down just a little.
You the one told me to pull it up. You
okay.
Like, I want to cover this.
Okay. Okay, much better. Cause ooh. That's my belly.
Mm-hmm.
You can make it tight. I'm gonna block your face out because I want to show people this. This right here feels so good. It's a I don't know what it's called. It's an ice sleeve.
Ice sleeve.
Oh, this is what I do for the bottom part of my feet. Because my feet bother me. Oh, it feels so good. Woo. Oh, Jesus, that feels so good. And you take a Velcro strap so you can tighten it better. Oh, thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
Now, take that other one and put it on top of that one.
Take this one and put it on top of where?
That white spot. feels so good. Uh, 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 uh. You know what? You think you know what you gonna expect for pain, but until that mug start hitting, you don't know. Right now, my pain out of a 10, it's probably like an 8. Maybe, yeah, like an 8. Can I help you? What?
I should use your little login booklet.
Oh, I do need to use my book. Yeah, but I ain't gonna write it right now. Give it to me so I can show the people. It's on the counter in the kitchen. I ordered this recovery book from Amazon. I haven't used it yet, but I'm gonna use it. It documents your recovery from how you feel to what exercise you've done to your goals. Oh, sweet Jesus! I guess I need to be start doing this.
Yeah.
Can you give me a pen, a pencil? I got a look. It's in the den in the little white pencil case right here. This book. If you got a total knee replacement, you should get it. It's called My Total Knee Replacement Recovery Log. Day 1 to day 30. Progress from day 1. Tracking progress from day 1 to day 30. A complete daily log for healing, PT with physical therapy, and motivation after surgery. This is so nice. I gotta let y'all see it. Oh, sweet Jesus. My little fur baby has not left my bed. He has not left my side. Mr. Butters. Hey, mama's baby. Come back. Come here. Come here. How you doing? I know you miss me. I know you miss mommy. I know you miss mommy. I know. It's my dressing, the compression stocking, and then the big bandage to secure the wound. Make sure no water don't get up there. Go all the way up to the thighs. They don't think about thick women when they make these thighs. What about the ladies with the thick thighs? So, and I did my walking. So I walked up and down the block. I walked back and forth, total of 6 times. So yeah, now I'm about to go to sleep. I'm so tired. I'm still kind of drowsy. That was my alarm. They said I gotta take one of these gazillion damn medications that I'm taking. So I'll show y'all my book tomorrow. I purchased this book right here. This is a nice book. I wanted to be able to document how I'm feeling, how I'm sleeping and stuff. It's really nice. Excuse me, I gotta cough up this phlegm. So I'm still a little loopy. So hopefully all this will be gone tomorrow. I love my husband. He here with me. He takes such good care of me. I love me some him. I did my hair, but y'all see how it look? It look crazy. But oh well, it's just gonna be like this. Should have did a 2-strand twist. Okay, I'm about to go to sleep. So have a good day. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Today is day 1 down. It was a good day. I went to physical therapy. It was at 9. I pushed it back to 10 because I was just so tired. And then I came home, did some exercises. I walked. I didn't do no more exercises, but tomorrow I'm going to start because I got to do 3 sets of exercises for my doctor and 2 sets for physical therapy, so a total of 5 exercise sessions throughout the day. And that's what I'm going to do. I just got to figure out when I'm going to do them and what time, but I'm space them out accordingly. I slept in my bed, and I slept pretty good. I got my pillow, my what is this thing called? My wedge, and then my other pillow. So I slept pretty good, but I'm about to go to sleep. Right now I think it's like 8:30. 7:42. But then I'm about to go to sleep. Sleep while I can. Been sleep on and off throughout the day. This surgery is draining. So, hope you come back the next day. Tomorrow I'm gonna record a little more. I'm gonna record while I do my exercises. I'm gonna record, I still haven't pooped. I'm going to take me some stool softener. And I got me some prunes to help with exercise. These are delicious to help me so I won't be constipated. So, you ready to help me get back in the bed? My honey helped me get in the bed. Y'all know what? Y'all need to get you one. But you can't get mine.